Welcome back. Goa International Real Estate Exhibition and Summit is being held in Goa for 3 days at Kala Academy. Exhibition and Summit will be on 28th, 29th and 30th September. The Summit is first of its kind in the state, organized by Wild Orchid Entertainments. Expo will also host a session for Real Estate Building Center of Excellence. Different states, stakeholders, entrepreneurs and developers will participate in the 3-day summit.
Real estate exhibition as well that is summit. Why this summit? When we do the exhibition, people they come and pick up that is brochures and all these things. And after that there is no discussion, no issue, nothing is being discussed. This time we want to have that is along with the exhibition, we want to have that is summit where we can call that is government authority, we call that the builders, we call that the consumers, we can call that is other stakeholders, so that we can have one topic, we can discuss that is what is the difficulty in real estate and how real estate contributing to our economy of Goa, what is the consumer really that is having that is problem in Goa. So these are to be discussed, and whatever issue will be discussed, that will be addressed to that is government authority, where if possible that could be solved out or that will be bring to their notice.
Single bench of High Court has transferred the petition filed by Goa government in dual citizenship matter to the double bench. The single bench has also refused to grant any interim relief in this matter. Government had filed petition before the single bench seeking to quash the order of Panji JMFC Court directing Crime Branch to register FIR against those Goans who have registered their births in Portuguese registry and are posted on different government and constitutional posts in Goa.
On Wednesday, the petition related with dual citizenship filed by the main complainant Kashinath Shetty came up for hearing before the double bench of the High Court. During the hearing, state government, while changing its previous stand, admitted that the petition filed before the single bench should be heard by the double bench. In the afternoon session, the matter came up before the single bench. The bench, without granting any interim relief, transferred the matter to the double bench. Main complainant Kashinath Shetty is before the High Court seeking direction to the government to comply the order of the Panji JMFC Court. The JMFC Court had directed the Crime Branch to register FIR against those Goans who have registered their births in Portuguese registry and are posted on different government and constitutional posts in Goa, whereas state government is pleading to quash the order of the Panji JMFC Court. Meanwhile, another petition of Kashinath Shetty seeking compliance of the order of the Panji JMFC Court in foreign funding case came up for hearing. JMFC Court had directed the Panji police to register FIR against BJP and Congress parties for accepting foreign funding. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni contended that the Panji police has no jurisdiction to register FIR or investigate this matter. The double bench of the High Court will hear all these matters together on 6th September. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Robert Pires all set to play for FC Goa. Former French international and FC Arsenal midfielder Robert Pires, who is FC Goa's marquee player, arrived at Dabolim airport on Tuesday night. Large number of Arsenal fans and FC Goa supporters turned up at the airport to welcome him. He was accompanied by co-owner of FC Goa Dattaraj Salgaocar and coach Zico.
Enthusiastic fit so we are very happy to have him here. He is very enthusiastic, he is very happy that he is going to work under Zico and खूप खुश आसा आणि असलेच आमकां मार्की प्लेयर मेळ्ळा आमी मागीर देवा कडेन बरें मागता की असलो प्लेयर आमकां मेळ्ळा म्हणून.
सर आज तुमी जर्सी लॉन्चिंग केला हेच्या बद्दल थोडक्यात म्हायती दी सर.
हय आयज ऑफिशियली जर्सी लॉन्च जालें एट द हँड्स ऑफ नीता अंबानी हू द चेअरपर्सन आनी आयज आमचो मार्की आनी सेलिब्रिटी ओनर is Virat Kohli. So he is going to be our co-owner of FC Goa. Virat Kohli. After the schedule change because based on certain PM wanting to attend one of the matches, so the change zala. पयलींच्या शेड्युला प्रमाणे ते येवपाचो आसना आतां नव्या शेड्युला प्रमाणे पळोवचें पडटलें बेज ऑन अ क्रिकेटींग पूण येतलोच तो डेफिनेटली सम ऑफ द 7 games वील कम फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 or 3.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.